hi friends, you know who is there with me today? We have a CEO of DXN and I have very important question to ask him. So I would like to welcome you, sir. Being a CEO of DXN is a great privilege for us. So I have one small question. So what do you think? Anybody who as an aspiring entrepreneur, and if they choose DXN, why do you think that they need to choose DXN?
Right. That's a very interesting question, actually. It's a very common question being asked by anybody and everybody, before joining DXN. Why DXN is the best platform for them? The answer to that is very simple. It's, goes back into DXN. DXN was started in the year 1993 with a very clear vision and a very strong system. The system in DXN, we call it as a one world, one market system. That means to say, like, when you join DXN, your limitation or your boundary is not set. You can go anywhere in the world. You can develop your network. You can earn multiple incomes as per the marketing plan from anywhere, any part of the world. Meaning to say, like, if you are a member in India and you have some friends in the Gulf and some families in UK, you can introduce the products to your people. And when they start using the coffee, once they start using the supplements in their respective country, you sitting back in India can receive their income with one membership. So it's a very unique thing that is practiced only by this company, not by any other company. And we have been putting this in place right from the very beginning, 1993 until today. And this is one of the reasons why this business spreads like wildfire. It is so expansive. Today around the world, we have around more than 17.6 million distributors and members, and it's ever growing. But two very important thing that you have in DXN is we have diversified a big portfolio of products in DXN. We have around 521 products as of now. We have 83 more products lined up to be launched by this year and next year. These are fast-moving consumer products, fast-moving consumer goods. These are products that you use in your daily life. These are not products that you have to push down the throat of anybody, to consume. Rather, these products sells on its own, where people do come and buy it from you. These are fast-moving products, like unique products, evolving products, great technology, and and diversified product. That's one thing, And another thing is that the company, this is a very strong and stable company. We have a very unified, integrated business model right from the top to the bottom. This is a company that has been built over years. Actually, we have our own research facilities. We have our own manufacturing plants located in over 8 countries, and more manufacturing plants are coming up. We have over 7 cultivation located in 3 countries, and it's expanding, and the market is growing because of all these things. So these are the basic things why DXN should be your best choice, why there is no other comparative model or any other business platform that is equivalent to your DXN. So if you're in it, I think this is the best platform for you to grow. So I hope I answered your question. Huh?
Yes. Thank you so much. I think if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, DXN is a vehicle which actually shows about a true entrepreneurship. So if you've still not started DXN, time is now. Let's get started and go to the top. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.